Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Berjumpa kita lagi di chapter yang ke-6, part 4. Okay, untuk part 4, kita akan membincangkan dengan lebih detail tentang sum of geometric sequence. Okay, sum of geometric sequence, kita ada 3 formula utama. Yang pertamanya adalah sekiranya kita akan merujuk kepada R. Sekiranya R iaitu kita punya common ratio kurang daripada 1, maka Sn, formula Sn yang kita akan gunakan adalah formula ini. Okay, Sn equal to A1 minus 1 minus R to the power of n over 1 minus R. Sekiranya R kita greater than 1, maka ini formula Sn-nya iaitu Sn equal to A R to the power of n minus 1 over R minus 1. Dan untuk mencari sum of the infinite geometric sequence, syarat R-nya mestilah berada di range ini iaitu modulus of R must be less than 1, ataupun bila kita buka ni kita boleh juga write down dia as R less than 1 greater than negative 1, which is R kita tu maksudnya akan jadi proper fraction. Okay, dalam bentuk fraction dan proper, meaning bawah kecil pada atas, atas kecil pada bawah, proper fraction lah, proper fraction, then we can find the sum to the infinity by using this formula. Okay, S infinity is equal to A over 1 minus R. Alright. Kita terus kepada example 4. Okay, example 4 minta kita untuk mencari common ratio bagi sequence yang diberikan. So, untuk cari common ratio sebelum kita dah belajar kan, cari common ratio. So, how to find the common ratio? A. For A, we have R is equal to, what's the formula that we want to use? R must be T1 over T2. R is T1 over T2. T2 over T1 and also equal to T3 over T2. Okay, to solve A, we have soalan tu bagi kita dalam sebutan Y, dalam unknown. Okay, bukan nombor. So, kita kena cari dah dulu apa Y tu. Macam nak cari Y? Okay, we know that untuk common ratio, T2 over T1, which is Y over 5, is equal to 20 over Y. Jadi, sekarang ni kita perlu cari value Y dulu berapa. So, Y square sama dengan 100. Maka, dapatlah Y kita adalah 10 kan? Sebab plus minus 10, kita ambil the positive one lah. Okay, Y equal to 10. So, from here, our R is equal to 10 over 5. And then, that's where we get 2. Okay, R kita 2. Jelas? Untuk B pula, okay, B ni dia bagi kita nombor direct, tak ada masalah lah. Jadi, untuk cari R-nya, T2 over T1, which is 3 over negative 1. So, directly we get the value which is negative 3. So, this one is negative 3 here. C. C pun dia nak menguji juga. So, our R is T2 over T1, which is R X over 8T1 over 2 is equal to 18 over X. So, our X square, bila you calculate, boleh try guna calculator, you should get the value is 729. And then, bila kita set tu, dapatlah plus minus 27. But we take the positive one because our sequence in positive. Okay, so our X is equal to 27. So, bila X kita 27, this one is 27 here, how to find the R? Maka our R is, kita ambil yang mudah lah, 18 over 27. And then when you calculate using calculator, the value is 2 over 3. Okay, so you nak buat 27 over 81 over 2 pun tak ada masalah. Cuma dia 3 fraction, 3 lapis tu saya guna yang 2 lapis je lah, senang ya. So, R kita dapatlah 2 per 3 dekat sini. Okay. So, kita D dan D, E, F nanti kita sambung dekat page sebelah sebab tak muat. Baik, jadi kita dah ada dah B dan C, A, B, C punya common ratio. Dan A pun dah ada sum of the first 5 terms. Okey, kita tulis balik. Untuk summation bagi geometric series, dia ada dua formula yang berbeza kan. Kita tengok kepada R. Kalau R lebih pada 1 dan satu lagi kalau R kurang daripada 1. Baik, kita ulang balik. Kalau R lebih daripada 1, formulanya adalah Sn is equal to A. R lebih pada 1. So, R tolak 1 lah. R to the power of n minus 1 over R minus 1. Kalau kurang, Sn is equal to A 1 minus R to the power of n over 1 minus R. Okay, senang saja. Kita tengok R. Okay, R kurang ke R lebih pada 1? Okay, untuk A, kita punya R lebih daripada 1 kan? So, macam dapat 155 tu? Okay, kita sub dalam formula. Kita buat dekat sini. Okay. So, this one is to find the sum. To find sum. So, untuk A, bila kita sub, S5 kita adalah A kita 5. 2 to the power of 5 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. So, to try to calculate by using calculator, you should get the value is 155. And then we try B. Our B, R kita kurang daripada 1, which is R equal to negative 3. So, which formula should we use? The first one. Right. Sorry, the second one. So, our S5 is equal to A, negative 1. 1 minus negative 3 to the power of 5 over 1 minus negative 3. So, when you calculate using calculator, you should get negative 61. Alright, and then C. So, negative 61. We write down here negative 61. For C, our R is 2 over 3. So, we should use the second formula as well. Our A is 81 over 2. Okay, over 1 minus 2 over 3 to the power of 5 over 1 minus 2 over 3. You try to calculate using calculator, you should get the value is 211 over 2. So, this one you should get the value 211 over 2. Alright. So, lepas ni, kita try cari dia punya infinite series pula. Okay, apa nak cari infinite series bagi C ni? A dengan B tak boleh cari dia punya infinite series. Why? To find the infinite series, we have our range of R must be between 1 and negative 1. Okay, this is our range for R. Less than 1, greater than negative 1. So, kalau kita tengok A tu, dia punya R greater than 1. So, we cannot find. Tidak berada dalam range. B pun dia punya R tidak berada dalam range. Maka we cannot find the infinite series. Okay. C pula dia punya R adalah 2 over 3, which is within the range. So, definitely we can find the value of S infinity. What's the formula for S infinity? S infinity is equal to A. A ni adalah 81 over 2 over 1 minus R. 1 minus 2 over 3. So, you should get the value is 243 over 2. Okay. 243 over 2. Alright. So, untuk D, E, F ni kita cuba, sebab tak cukup space, kita guna the next page. Okay. We just duplicate the previous one. Cuma ada banyak space lagi kat sini yang kita tak guna. Alright, we continue to find common ratio for D, E, and F. So, for D, to find the common ratio, R, okay, we just write it down back. T1 over T2 is equal to T3 over T2. So, for our D, 64 over A is equal to 32/64. Then we carry out the calculation. You should get here 4096 is equal to 32A. So you should get the value of A is 128. That's the value of A. How to find the R? R, I think I just want to use. You can choose either one. Jawapan dia patut sama saja. Saya guna T3/T2. So 32/64, the value is 1/2. So for this one, the value is 1/2 here. And then for E, how to find E? The common ratio R is equal to M/40 equal to 32/5/M. So the value that you should get is M square equal to 4/25. And then our M, we should get positive, negative. This one, we take the negative one. M is equal to 2/5. Okay, and F should be no problem. So this one is 2/5. Our F is R equal to 32/3. 3/2/3. So you should get 1/2. So this one is 1/2 here. Okay. And then we continue to find the S, the summation. So again, kalau kita tengok dekat sini, D, E, F, ketiga-tiganya dia punya R dia adalah less than 1. This one also R less than 1. This one also R less than 1. So the formula that we should use is, kita tulis balik, biar mudah ingat. So our Sn is equal to A 1 minus R to the power of N over 1 minus R. Alright. Okay, so untuk D, okay, bila kita sub dalam formula, okay, kita punya S5 kita, A kita adalah berapa tadi? A kita dapat tadi iaitu 128, right? Sorry, our A is, yes, 128. So here is 128. 128, 1 minus 1/2 to the power of 5 over 1 minus 1/2. The answer that you should get is 248. Yeah, so the value is 248 here. Okay, this one is 248. And then for E, the same method, we use the same method. Our E, S5 is, the A is 40. So 1 minus 2/5 to the power of, okay, kat sini salah kat sini ni. This one is here, right? 5. Okay, 2/5 to the power of 5 over 1 minus 2/5. Okay, when you carry out the calculation, you should get the value is 65.984. So here is 65.984. Okay, last but not least, for F, S5 is A3 1 minus 1/2 to the power of 5 over 1 minus 1/2. So when you carry out the calculation, you should get 93/10. So the value is 93/10 here. And then for S infinity, okay, for all the 3 D, E and F, we can find the S infinity because the R is less than 1. R kurang daripada 1. Range, berada dalam range yang diberikan, iaitu kurang pada 1, besar daripada negatif 1. So dia mencakupi range tu, memenuhi syarat yang diberikan. Maka kita punya S infinity, okay, A nya adalah 128 per dengan 1 tolak 1/2. So you should get the value is 256. And then untuk E, S infinity nya adalah 40 per 1 tolak 2/5. Dan jawapannya adalah 256. per 3. Untuk F, dah tunjuk dah dekat sini. S infinity equal to 3 per 1 tolak 1 per 2. And then kita dapat jawapannya sama dengan 6. Baik, saya rasa itu saja untuk part 4. Kita